Welcome back to Kids' Delectable Treats. I'm back. I just needed a little break. I got a special treat for you guys, just in time for Thanksgiving. Gobble gobble. Why is Thanksgiving so important? I think Thanksgiving is important because now we're thankful for all our families and friends, and we have a lovely time together, and we get to have fun and just like a family forever. Today I'm making caramel apple bites. They're so good that you can eat them before the turkey or after. We have 3 ingredients: pretzels, Rolo, apple, and toothpick. We're gonna take our pretzels and Rolos and put them on a cookie sheet. This treat is easy peasy. All you have to do is take a pretzel, put it on the pan nice and neatly, and then get a Rolo, open the Rolo, and put it on top. Let's get started. I'll do the rest and I'll be right back. Snap! We're gonna ask an adult to pop these in the oven to 2 to 3 minutes, but we have to make it soft. With this apple, we're gonna ask an adult to chop it into tiny chunks. After we got our apples cut, we're gonna put it in the chocolate. I'll do the rest and I'll be right back. Gobble gobble! Both these Thanksgiving treats look so delicious. Let's give it a try. Ooh, they're delicious. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and be alive. Bye! I got a special treat for you. Today I'm making. Got 3 ingredients: pretzel, Rolo.
You said pretzel.
I didn't mean to say pretzel. Got 3 ingredients: pretzel, Rolo. Got 3 ingredients. Oh, you would just stop smiling.
Oh, you don't want me to smile?
But you can. We're going to take our pretzels and Rolo, and we're going to put them in a cookie sheet. I said cookie. Cookie for cookie. This treat is easy peasy. All you have to do is get a pretzel, put